Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Aristois hacked client for Minecraft. So what you're going to want to do first is just open up your browser and type up Aristois, and you'll probably get the first link will be the one to Aristois. This is what the web page should look like. You're just going to hit this download button here, and then you'd go ahead and hit this download button here, and it will probably bring up an ad. So you just wait for the ad, and then we're going to go skip ad, and it'll give you an option of where to save the folder. I've already downloaded it, so I've just saved it to my desktop, so you just click save. Then we can close this off. Then you're going to want to hit Windows key and R, and that's going to bring up this little run thing here, and we're going to type in %, app data, %, and we're going to hit enter, and that's going to bring up this folder here. At the top of the folder should be .minecraft. Click on .minecraft. You're going to scroll down to versions, and you're going to want to just drag your Aristois client, which I've got here, into the versions folder, and we're just going to double click it, and then that's going to bring up this window here, and we're just going to hit continue, and it should be Minecraft 1.19.2, which is the latest version at the time of this video. You're just going to hit continue, and then just hit continue again, and then you just hit launch Minecraft, and that will bring up Minecraft, and the Aristois client should pop up in the bottom left corner of the launcher, and you're just going to hit play, and then just hit play again. You don't have to tick the little acknowledgement box. And this is what the Aristois client should look like once you've loaded it up. We can go to multiplayer. If I was just to join a server, so we're on a server and we've got the little movement hacks tab up at the top of the top left corner, and to open the hacks menu, I believe it is right shift. Click right shift, just hit got it, and these are all of the different hacks that you can use. Got radar. I don't know what that does. I don't know what most of these do because I don't use this client very much. Got fast break, just like in the worst client. There's auto weapon, auto respawn, auto disconnect, auto clicker, auto armor. So I guess that would put on your armor instantly. You've got chat mute. I guess that's useful if you're recording. Entity flight, that allows you to fly while you're on a horse or in a boat. Blink, if we click blink, and then we just hit escape, it'll leave our body behind over there, and then we can go away, and then we hit right shift again and click blink again, and it'll make it look like we've moved really fast to this location. So that's how you get the Aristois client. It's all you need to do. Just download the Aristois client and drag it into the versions folder, and you're done. Thanks for watching the video, and have a nice day.